Welcome back, Crammers, to question 8. In Berlin, a cost costs 120 euros. In Dubai, the same model costs 600 dirhams. The currency exchange rates are given. Find the difference between the watch in Berlin and the watch in Dubai. Give your answer in pounds, correct it to decimals. So if we have to give our answer in pounds, we have to convert both the watch in Berlin and the watch in Dubai to pounds. How do we do that? Well, let's start off with Berlin since it's the easier one. We can see that exchange rate is 1.16 euros is to 1 pound. And we can see here that we have 120 euros is equivalent to an unknown pound. We can simply multiply both sides by x and divide by 1.16. That gives us as 120 divided by 1.16. So therefore, we can find the price of the Berlin watch in pounds. Let's see. 120 divided by 1.16, that gives us 3,000 over 29. 3,000 over 29. Now, to find the watch price in dirhams to pounds, we have to first convert to euros. So we can write here 0.24 euros is to 1 dirham, and an unknown is to 600 dirhams. So we can simply multiply both sides by 600. That gives us as x is equal to 600 times 0.24. So let's see what that is. 600 times 0.24 gives us 144. 144. But this is the price in euros. We want it in pounds. And to find it in pounds, we simply divide by 1.16 again. So 1.16. So we have to find out what this value is divided by 1.16. So 3,600 over 29. 3,600 over 29. Now to find the difference, we simply subtract 3,600 over 29 minus 3,000 over 29. Since they have the same base, I can go ahead and subtract. That gives us 600 over 29. And now I can find our answer. 600 divided by 29 gives us 20.68. 20.689. Correct the two decimal places. So we look here. This is a 9. And we follow the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 4 we round down. 5 to 9 we round up. And 9 we round up. So our answer is 20.69. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.